So we go to linking trading and profit and loss account. So linking is all about as soon as we attain our gross profit, then go further by linking it with our statement of profit or loss account and other comprehensive income. Why do we have to link it? We have to link it because we need to get the profit for the year. The gross profit is just the profit made from sales, from the trade. So we have other expenses that has been incurred in the cost of selling our products. Those ones have to be taken away from the profit made from trading. So that is why we have to link it to the profit or loss account. Then in preparing this, so I wrote, as soon as the gross profit is attained through the trading account, the other section, which is the statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income, will be used to obtain the net profit. Now that takes us to statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income. This contains all the items regarding expenditure of the business and its income. I think that is clear. So that takes us to the format for the profit and loss account. In the format, we have the gross profit, which is being linked to the statement of profit and loss. Then we have to add interest received. Interest received is from the finance income. You get that from maybe your fixed deposit, the amount of money you save in the bank, the deposit you save in the bank. The interest you get on them is called finance income, and it is referred to as interest received. You add it to your gross profit because it's an income. If there's discount received from what you bought from your supplier, it is an income for you. You add it to your interest, to your gross profit. Then if there's any commission, most of the time you get commission from maybe you sell an asset. So the percentage of what you sell is called commission. So you might get it as part of your income. You had income received, discount received, commission received, interest received, discount received, commission received to your gross profit. Then what are those things you take away from the gross profit in your statement of profit or loss account? Expenses. Salaries and wages is an expenses. They are all overheads. Rent and rates is an expenses. Heat and light is an expenses. Telephone and postage is an expenses. Insurance is an expenses. Motor expenses is an expenses. Interest paid. This is when you take interest paid on loan. Interest paid on loan is an expenses. Depreciation of non-current assets. Whatever depreciation you have is an expenses. Allowance or provision for depreciation is also an expenses. Irrecoverable debt is an expenses too. Discount allowed. You've given your customers some discount. It means you have to pay for it. It's an expenses. You get it? The bank charges is an expenses. Maybe from your statement at the end of the year, at the end of each month, you have your statement of account from your bank. They will charge you for that. We call it bank charges. I could show you mine anyway after now. Then all these expenses, you take them away from your gross profit. That gives you your net profit or profit for the year. Is it clear? Yeah. So these are all the items in the statement of profit or loss accounts. Then we have activity 5. Is it 5? Okay, yes, activity 5. Ella has prepared a trading account showing a gross profit of 56,900. We have the extract of balances. We have motor expenses, finance income, bank charges, wages, rent payable, discount received, insurance, and postage. So we are told to prepare a statement of profit or loss and other comprehensive income for Hella. So the gross profit is 56,900. We put it there. Then you add interest received from the finance income. Finance income is the interest received. You add it to your gross profit, which is 2,980. Then there's a discount received of 1,040. You add it to it. So your total in the gross profit section is going to be 60,920. That's gross profit plus interest received and discount received. Now you less all expenditures. The expenditures here are motor expenses 3,140, bank charges 720, wages 1,360, rent payable 5,870, insurance which is 3,800, postage 1,010. So the total of your expenses is 15,900. You take it away from 60,920. So we have our net profit to be 45,020. This is for activity 5. Thank you.